Stop everything you are doing right now and look at my screen. I'm about to show you something that the big AI companies probably don't want you to know. Grok is officially free again, and I found the ultimate backdoor to access it. But before we start, let's set the stakes. I'm putting my entire reputation on the line here. If you follow my steps and this video turns out to be a lie, don't ever watch another AlphaTekx video again. Block me, unsubscribe, and tell everyone I'm a fraud. But if it works, if you get that 30-second cinematic video for $0, then you owe me. You owe me a subscribe, a like, and you better be back here tomorrow because this is just the beginning. Let's get to work. First, open up Chrome. You can do this on your phone, but I'm using my laptop right now so you can see the full layout clearly. Type in Kie.ai. That's Kie.ai. Now, let it load. While it's loading, I want you to understand how powerful this is. Most people are out here paying $20, $30, or even $50 a month for different AI tools. We aren't doing that today. Once the site is up, log in with your account. It's a quick process. Now, look at the top menu. You'll see Explore AI or Tools. Click that. Just look at this list for a second. I'm not lying to you. You can see it right there on my screen. This is like a VIP lounge for every major AI tool in the existence of the internet. You've got GPT-4, you've got Gemini, you've got everything. But listen closely, because this is where people fail. Don't get distracted by the other tools. I want you to click on Grok alone. Why? Because that is the one I have personally verified for this trick. That is the one that is 100% going to work for you right now without hitting a paywall. Find Grok and click that Try It button. Now, look at the interface. It's clean, it's fast, and it's connected directly to the engine. Go ahead and type in your prompt. Think of something big, something cinematic, maybe a scene from the Bible or a futuristic city. Hit enter and just wait. While it's generating, think about this. The actual Grok app, the one people pay big money for, usually only gives you short clips. But look at what we are doing here. Can you see the progress bar? When it finishes, you're going to realize you just created up to 30 seconds of high-quality video for free. This is a game changer for content creators, for students, and for anyone trying to build a business without a huge budget. Look at the quality of that generation. The lighting, the movement, it's professional level. And you did it without opening your wallet. This is why you follow AlphaTekx. We don't just follow the crowd, we find the tools that give us the edge. If this worked for you, and I know it did, then do the right thing. Hit that subscribe button right now. It is the only way I can keep bringing these secrets to you before they get patched or hidden away. Like this video so the algorithm knows this is the real deal, and share it with your family and your friends. Let's grow this movement together and stay ahead of the game. I'm AlphaTekx, and I'll see you in the next one.